Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, June 14th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we had today. We had two trades in gold. Small winner on one. One of them we called off at break even because we had the news coming up. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entries in the ES, 4 winners and 1 break even. This trade in the middle here was the same trade. It was a power play, but we had to hit it twice because we had a break even the first time. And I'm going to run through everything we did here. We had an RS trade in gold, 1290, and we got in the trade. Some people were short were short from 89.5. Some were short from 90. So the 90s, I'm calling it a break even because it was bouncing around here. 90s, when this pushed down here, could have made a little bit if they stayed. And I told everybody when this pushed down here to just go to entry. The 85s, 89.5s would have broke even, but we'll just call the whole thing a scratch. If you were in from 90, you wouldn't have been stopped out, but you would have had to live through all this, and it was news. So we can't stay in unless we're in profits before the news. So we'll call that one a scratch. Then we had a power play down here at 84.4, and told everybody to take 6, 7 ticks because of where it was located at in the time of day. Again, those of us who didn't take the profit, it came up a little bit, it came down, and then you see right that's at 11 o'clock. Told everybody just get out of the trade. Make a couple ticks or whatever, get out of the trade because we're closing the room. So up to 6 or 7 ticks, nothing great in the gold there. That was what we had in the gold. In the ES, we had a ZL. Some people took it at 2/4, some people took it at 175. That was on this 927 candle, and you'll see that one made up to a couple points. Up to 3 points if you took the 175, but call it a couple points. We had to get out of that trade at that point. I said likely this was just going to be a bounce for a continued drop down because we then had a ZL come in there. Did not want people to reverse, so that was a couple point trade. Got out of it. And when it came back down, we got short at 61/4. First time we took it, we got short 61/4. We added at 63/4, got out at break even, and then when it came back down at 61/4 again, we hit it, and I had a target of 54.75. And you'll see here that was pretty much the low of the day. It went down, it flushed down another tick down here at the end, way in the afternoon, but that was for sure the low of the morning. And that one produced up to from 1/4. That one produced about 6.5 points. And then for people who were still in with a runner, because we take profits along the way, or for people who were out because they only had a couple contracts and got out, I offered an RS here at 20.59. After this green candle, we got short 20.59 as an add-on or a new entry. That was an RS, and again, it was the same target we were looking for. Even though this target missed it by a tick, I was so convinced they were going to go down there that we got back in again, and that one made another up to 4 points. Then we had a long at 10:36 Central Standard Time. That was at 20.59, and that one worked out for 2 points. And then basically that was it. The room closed shortly after that. It was bouncing around here. Told everybody just get out because the room was closing. But it made 2 points before that. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, guys, have a wonderful day.